Baptist Church ni pastor leader rok buthar jaka omaka theya sin sakang ni video bhai tomai khazan ta hoktai buk song hai long bai video ko tal tu phapi ka noro video thamel lung ban sem kan tini video topic ta ma noro video naikha ka paisa nai thangdi pharinge tinin topic phasing thalena Mia 13 tarik Manipur pastor tai Manipur ni Baptist Church ni leader sok silai guli ko buthar jaka bela wan ma sija kok je borok o pastor tai leader sok borok program pai bongno kifilpuru bongno sorogo terrorist eba atangbadi rok koi buthar sipka bongno pharingke norok pula video nai di tapore ang nong kaham ko bujogre sawan
ambulance ang long tai namgi phai buna cái này thì không đâu. Ôi chậm đi ta cái này.
Hello,
Hankena roje tao ambulance gar numani abo je thanya rong ko thaitu phakya boni parawa hanke koyekta video tongdo abo YouTube phonumaya ke jodinor abo nanya busungkha WhatsApp group habe nemeno WhatsApp group comment link rajak norok naimano jodinor o video no nai saja khangke norok ani channel no subscribe khaji tai video no like khaji tai share khaji tai comment khaji ta pogli
information to the public that the Thado body has immediately called for a total shutdown in Sadar Hills regarding the killing of the Thado Baptist Association leader, church leader from between Port Lane and Port Jim this morning on the 13th of May 2026.
Haringe tang no kaham ke bujiri sana ke Mia 13 tarik Thado Baptist Church ni kaisa program kha ke borok thangai ajaga manjagi kha ke a program kha Churasanpur Lamkao ke tabar ke borok program pai kipi lakha Kangpokti district a jaga bongni nokta borok buthar jangma jaga khe Scotland nisime Kojim thamani parani lama ta Imphal to Temlong ni highway bo anke borok a jaga soikeno phungni 10 ta mane phungni 10 ta bora lama soikenke 10 ta simi 11:30 jora atangwadi eba terrorist bongno sila kokhata a jaga ni local borok saw je buthar jangna rongkha kukijat abo ambong mungsauna Reverend Dr. Bumthang Sitlu ke bongkha General Secretary Manipur Baptist Church ni Emasa mungkha Pastor Kaigolum Lombo TBI Secretary for Finance Youth and Music mane Rampushani Secretary tai sikla sikirong musamung tai rasamung ta tai masani mungkha Pastor Paulen Sitlu driver mungkha Lelen borok total ajuna program thai kipilai mani ajuna lising sajuna thekya inge tai charjuna ke bedai serious borno Imphal hospital hojak tabo inge borno sabo atek khai tafono confirm rei semia ko kuki jaro ko sawa nagani bolo mane nagajar terrorist society khai mane inge nagajar ko sawa abo kuki ja terrorist society khai mane inge abo tafono confirm rei semia ko abo nagajar ko na kuki ja terrorist ta eba abo Myanmar terrorist ko tapon compromise hemi ko abo abo to joton saimon je Manipur tamung tong metai versus Kuki versus Naga metai ke ek no Kuki ke aga mane bong ni bising violence eba danga solid tong 2010 sini ge sarapsa shanti ka ya han hai violence eba danga surum pheu ka ta ba ke 2 mas tong kama hengmani o incident eba party mo tabo mane chikon ko ge je pastor leaders of the sal katang katang silai gule ko bothar jak tong ke nang hai normal borong condition banting tong na norong wan sunai le kisa angena rakta kaise video ne ne di reverend bum thang sitlu then sakang video kaise khailang mata bo
Kambo pi independent ah.
Hello everyone. Today I'm speaking with a very heavy heart. I came across the news that 3 Kuki church leaders and a driver were killed and others injured after their vehicle was reportedly ambushed while they were returning home from the United Baptist Convention. They were not people going for war. They were not carrying weapons. They were church leaders, people of faith, people who had gone for fellowship, prayer and service.
Anke bore omayani saka je bo news no onek dukho najaka je charjona kuki thimani tai charjona dukho mamani inke bo saka borto bongni program pai no kifil tomasa apur bong no mane terrorist so kogoi bong gari kogoi bong no butar sipka je tai charjona ko dukho mangka borto kun war ni bagi thengya tai bong ro silai ro bokrei mani ro bokrei borok sadron to church leader tai pastor tai borok potogana keba lopnani thango keba rasamnani surnan thango.
They were simply returning home, and that is what makes this so painful. For more than 3 years now, Manipur has been living through fear, grief and uncertainty. After every few weeks, there is another heartbreaking story. Another family loses someone, another mother cries, another community mourns. Another life is reduced to a headline. It is heartbreaking that even after so much suffering, people in Manipur are still not able to live with peace and safety. On paper, we have government. On paper, there is law and order. But when people are still being killed like this, when religious leaders returning from a gathering are still not safe, it makes us wonder what is really happening here.
Anke botam saka khanai na je borok simply nogo kifil tongmani ya abono dukhoni ko Manipurni borok kirma bisingtei thang tongo tai onek dukho kosto tei thang tongo tabai 3 bosor hai tongha tapono Manipuro kono shanti kono ongo kare borok safety feel khaya koyak mas pore khe hain haitesa mane incident eba ghotona ongo Manipuro kirma sija hain haitesa keboba bong family member no kamao kebo ni buma batasa ma kapiro dofa eba jati eba community khama khamo o bele dukhoni kok asa dukhu kosto some pore phono Manipurni borok tapono suk shanti mayakhu kagaz potro sarkar tongo kagaz potro niyom kanon tongo topon tangai tapono borok amake botharlai jefro religion ni leaders ro kifil puru apro sudu borok safety kere bothar jago abono sonomana ro tamung tong ojaga
This is not just news for us. This is our pain. These are our people. These are families, fathers, brothers, leaders, and servants of God who deserves to reach home safely. I'm not saying this with anger. I'm saying this with sadness. We have already suffered so much. People are tired of fear. People are tired of mourning. People are tired of waiting for peace. And my heart goes out to the families who lost their loved ones and to those who were injured. May God give them strength in this painful time and may their souls rest in peace.
Anke bosaka obosin bage suro niyosia obosin bage onek dukhoni kok oborok joton sini borok tai joton sin family fathers brothers leaders eba kaitoni samuk tangnai rok borok kaham keno nogo sogunya nangmani bo kokono jolma bai samaya dukho bai samase borok onek dukho kosto sosuka borok kiri tongnai sedarka santino nasimang sedarka tai dukho manai rongo dotin hamrothu tai je bongni hamjonai rokno kamanai eba bong family sago kaitor hamer to bong sago phanto je borok kosto no soimana bagai tai je thainai rokni pholono kaitor shanti rothum inke tini bai video sono je naitono hamba